Good.
There is a house in Ewing they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many who were born. Yeah, I know I'm one. My mother was a sailor. She saw my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. The only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and the drum. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drum. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your life in sin and misery in the house of a rising sun. Well, I've got one foot on that platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans, to where that ball and chain. There is a house in Ewing they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many who were boy and girl and